In today's session, we are going to learn about soft G or hard G. What is the soft G or hard G? Okay, the letter G has two sounds. One is G sound and another sound is G. While making this G sound, we will open our mouths little bit. While making the G sound, our teeth will be closed and the lips will not be wide open. Okay, there are two G's. One is soft G and hard G. Whenever the letter is sound as it is, gentle, giant, energy, here the G letter is not taking any new sound. It is said as it is. So this is called soft G sound. When the consonant G is followed by E, I or Y letters, then it will take soft G sound. When the consonant letter G is followed by A, O and U, the sound is done by opening the vocal tract. G, gate, gossip, glass. Here the G is sounded by opening our mouth. These are the difference between soft G and hard G. Thank you.